This is my 1928 Model A, Ratrod gasser style. Now that it's complete-ish, kind of, now that it's drivable, I've learned that it has a little bit of a cooling issue, as in the fact it doesn't like to stay cool. Yes, I know people told me that this isn't enough airflow, but I had to try, so I got to address that. I think my electric water pump is not up to par, so I got a mechanical one I'm going to put on there. I might do something with a shroud, I don't know. Maybe we'll give Rocky a mohawk just for fun, but we need to get it so it's not overheating all the time. I want to drive this thing further distances, so I need it to cooperate with me. Let's get started with the whole cooling apparatus system. Yep, that had coolant in it. That was a bad idea. Damn it! Now I just got to remember the best way to take this all apart. Ah, it should be easy. I don't know why it just didn't all work the first time. I put 20 minutes of thinking into it. Should have worked just fine. Sure glad I got 18 different sizes of bolts on there too. That's super handy. Thirsty? Don't say I didn't try. It's fine. Don't worry about it. I guess that works. Oh, I forgot about that. Damn it! What size were those? Should have taken these off first. Whoa. That was way more difficult than it needed to be. Mainly because I was lazy and didn't want to get up and get a different tool. Okay. Well, the good thing is my water pump is on a plug. The bad thing is my fan isn't. So snip, snip, here we come. I guess we're making a mess again. I should really take up some stock in coolant as much as I'm going through these days. I mean, I did pretty good. Not bad. No, what do you, no. Could be worse, I guess. Oh wait, it is worse over here. Darn it. Oh yeah, everything's going just fine. Nope, no it's not. Yep, still no. This thing needs to go. That is in the way. Ah, yeah. That's off. Oh wait, I still need this. Let's put the cap on so we don't lose that. Oh, almost dropped that in the coolant bucket. Why didn't you guys remind me about the wires? Okay. I'm sure that'll be safe there, probably not. Let's just put the old bolty-roos back in the holes, huh? That way we don't lose them as easily. This belt is awesome. Perfect. Everything's okay. Everything's normal. Yummy! Oh yeah, good stuff. Fun, fun. This is amazing fun. As you can see, I'm well prepared. I was already concerned about this. Oh, shit. Nope, nope. Did it come with gaskets? Ooh, it even came with gaskets. I'm gonna need longer bolts. Absolutely gonna need longer bolts. That's fine. I'm digging more into my parts stash. It's a little too blingy for this, but you use what you got. Maybe it won't fit. If I drill that out more, will it fit? I'm gonna open it up. And this is why things take me so long to do. I just had the drill bit in my hand and I can't find it. I can't find it. All I did was put a battery in the drill and now I can't find the bit. Found it. I don't want to talk about it. Now I lost the drill. Nope, found that. I don't see this going in a bad direction at all. Ow! No, don't you do it. There, perfect. At least it fits now. Okay, next. I'm just gonna need a longer belt, perfect. I gotta go get some bolts. Don't go anywhere. Unfortunately, I didn't return them with bolts. Sometimes I forget that I live in small town America and hardware stores close at like 3 o'clock on Sundays or 4 o'clock on Sundays, whatever time it was. And well, parts stores just aren't open. So I'm not making the half-hour trek somewhere to get bolts. I can wait till tomorrow. And I'm back. I don't like the coolant always dripping out of there when I'm trying to set gaskets. It's a pain in the butt. So I remove it. It's been a couple days, mainly because I was tired yesterday and I wanted a nap instead of working on the car. But we have other dilemmas now. Bolts for the water pump, we're good on. Bolts for the pulley, it's a whole thing and we're not good on. I'm gonna make sure these are tight. Ask me how I learned that lesson. Go on, ask me. You don't need to, I'll tell you. I didn't once. I found out it wasn't tight once I started the motor. We had a little drippy, drippy, drippy. Now I check them all. Okay, should be good. RTV! Pretty sure I'm getting it everywhere, but where I need it. Oh, I make such a mess with this stuff. It's on this hand. Oh, I don't even know why I try. Wow, my bolts are too long. That's stupid. Stupid, stupid. Just washer it out, I guess. I don't know what else to do. At $2 a bolt, I sure as hell ain't not using them. Torqued. Okay, I'll double check it with a ratchet. Here's my dilemma. It's the only short water pump pulley I have. It takes countersunk bolts. No problem, you say. Go to the hardware store, buy some. Sure, can do that. The water pump takes fine thread bolts. No bueno. It was gonna cost me $40 to order 4 bolts or $56 to order a new pulley. I ordered a new pulley. So I can't do any more of this until that's here. But this one, no good. I meant to do that. Yeah. That needs to dry before I can put fluid in it and everything else anyways. I can't put my pulley on yet because, well, I don't have it. I do think I have a plan for my shroud though. As much as I don't want to do this, I gotta do something. It is just not pulling enough air when I'm sitting still. This is my plan. Take a hole saw, punch out each end, and then take a cutoff wheel and cut off the stuff in the middle. I thought about putting a bunch of holes in here. I didn't like that look. Maybe in the future I'll get a whole another one custom made for this with wider openings so it's not so distracting. But we'll see how it looks after I'm done. I already drilled the hole, so I'm committed now. Oh, forgot one. Sure hope this looks okay. Maybe a new battery. There we go. Now we're cooking with electricity. Damn! Woohoo! Oh, forgot one. Apparently I need to restock my cutoff wheels. We're running a little low. I don't think it turned out too bad. I'll clean her up a little bit. Maybe I'll put some spread metal in there. I don't know. I want to put it on the radiator before I make any decisions and see how she looks. But definitely should let some more air through. Now he needs a mohawk. Mohawk. I'm sure it's fine. For plunk, figure out how deep we are. That deep. Can I figure that out without taping it? Let's find out. We're gonna call that good. It's not gonna be perfectly straight, but whose hair is? Where do you want the next one? We'll do a little pilot hole this time. Maybe it won't walk so bad. I'm sure that's fine to breathe. This one might need to be nipped off a little bit. No big deal. No big deal. He's so awesome. Do we do one more? Do we do one more? We absolutely do one more. I don't care who you are. That's freaking awesome. Hell yeah. Going with it. I was able to make it to the parts store and got the belt I needed. Yay! I learned my water pump pulley is touching my water pump. Boo! That ain't gonna work, folks. I'm not waiting for another pump. I'm not waiting for another pulley. I'm gonna take it all apart and see what I can do to clearance things with maybe a little grindy action. Oh, I even got the right socket. It's always something. Put these down here so I drop them later. This has a little lip, a little ridge. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It's probably for strength or something. I don't know. My grinder won't care. It'll go right through it. Ooh, got a little thin there. Sure, it's fine. It's a pretty close fit. I just want to give her the best chance possible. It may not look pretty, but I think it's gonna work. We'll just call it a machine fit. This is the machine, it made it fit. It is warmer than a pig on a roaster in here. Holy crap. Everybody on the old interwebs informed me that I gotta have my belt at a certain tension. So that's what we'll do, whatever that is. I don't remember. 3/4 of an inch. I knew that. Yep, it's really warm out here. Why do I do this to myself? I don't have enough hands for this. Normally, I would just figure out a way to do it myself. But I'm hot, I'm frustrated, I'm calling in backup.
Hello?
Can you give me a hand?
Yeah, I'm on my way.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I need you to hold this so I can measure deflection.
Can I rest this on anything?
Your hand. I gotta tighten this and check the deflection. So I need you to hold the tape with this. It can't be against the belt because I need to move the belt. Here, get rid of this. It's really freaking humid out here.
Mm-hmm.
Holy crap. Just hold it so it doesn't move. I need you to hold it on the belt so it doesn't move because I'm gonna move the belt. All right, we'll try that. I don't know the proper procedure for doing this. That's just what I'm doing. Thank you. Woohoo. Oh, that needs to get out of the way. We good? We good. We good. We're good. In case anybody's wondering, I thought about a shroud, but the fan damn near takes up the whole radiator, so I'm gonna try without again. The only other thing I really want to do is move my thermostat, my temperature gauge, up to my thermostat, but I've only got a mechanical gauge and it won't reach that far, so it is what it is for the time being. I'm just gonna blip, blip, blip some fluid into it and see if it leaks anywhere and have to tear it all apart and get more fluid and do that whole thing again. No leaks yet, that's a good start. Easy. We have a leaker. Oh, it's coming out of there. Oh, duh. That was stupid. I use this as a plug and it has a hole in it. No bueno. No leak so far. Trying to see if I got my overheating fixed. Got my riding partner. It's currently raining. So, you know, visibility is a premium. So, you know, we got people stopping by to check it out at the old gas station here. I'm actually impressed with how well it's cruising right now.
running. I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out.